Okay guys, well the cook slightly burnt the pizza for the customers, so I'm gonna have to wait a little while, but he's gonna give me the slightly burnt pizza for myself, so I am so jazzed right now. Okay guys, well we got a slight hold up here. Don't want to bowl over the guarded truck. Okay guys, we are back at it again. Got the po-po in front of us and not behind us. That's always a good thing, I think. We're headed up to the McDonald's stakeout, guys. Got to get a coffee to start out this delivery run, guys. Hoping on some good orders, guys. You guys are coming with. Let's rock, let's roll. Guys, it is an absolutely beautiful day today, Las Vegas, Nevada. It's about 55 degrees, I would say. Warming up a little bit too. Just stunning day, guys. Let's go. Let's make some money. Okay, guys. Well, I got my McDonald's coffee, so I'm happy about that. Then after getting like a barrage of, and really quickly, a bunch of Walmart offers, which I was not going to take, I got a nice $10 offer, just 2 miles total, to the Nevada Chicken Cafe. We've been there before, guys. Let's go. Oh man, those guys look like some badasses right there. Okay, we have arrived to the Nevada Chicken Cafe. Let's get inside and knock this out. I have a pickup for Chris. K-R-I-S. Okay.
I confirm. You confirm?
Yes. Lemonade. Okay, guys, that was nice. They had it all ready to go. Guy got a lemonade. We got that, and now we're gonna get going. Let's go. Okay, guys, well, this order is actually going to the Nissan dealership. It's called Auto Nation, and we are already here, just right around the corner. And let's see. And then, oh yeah, check this out. See that screenshot? Okay, so then we got another $10 order, just going 1.3 miles, is it? To the Sammy's Wood-Fire Pizza. So banging so far, guys. Let's go and drop this off to our buddy here at the Nissan. Auto Nation. Pretty. Shiny. Okay, guys, we got that to Chris. And now we're off to the Sammy's Wood-Fired Pizza Grill, I think it's called. Man, what a day this is. Beautiful. We have arrived to the Sammy's Restaurant and Bar. I thought it was called Wood-Fired Pizza, but I'm not seeing that now. Okay, guys, it looks packed. Let's hope this order is ready to go. Let's go. Thank you. A pickup for Michael W.
Michael W? Okay, give me 1 second.
Thank you, ma'am. By the way, guys, that is where all the magic happens, right there. Okay, thank you.
We'll be ready in just a minute.
Just a minute? Okay, thank you very much. I love it, man. Okay, guys, well, the cook slightly burnt the pizza for the customers, so I'm gonna have to wait a little while, but he's gonna give me the slightly burnt pizza for myself, so I am so jazzed right now. Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Come to daddy. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. Have a great day, beautiful. And this one's mine. Okay, guys. Oh, that was a nice order there. Okay, guys. That was a nice one. Especially when I leave with a pie for me. Oh my gosh. So it's funny, the smallest things get you excited in this job. Let's go. Okay, guys. Well, this order is actually going to another auto-related place. It's the CarMax. So we had 2 of those in one day, guys. That's kind of fun. So let's go and knock this out. Okay, guys. I had to kind of come in the back way here for some reason. Okay, guys. There goes Michael. Happy recipient of 3 beautiful pizzas and a couple of other things. We are headed back to the McDonald's stakeout, and I also want to get a refill on this coffee because one of these small coffees just does not do it for me. I need at least 2. So we're gonna grab that, guys. Hopefully we'll get another order here soon. Let's go. Okay, guys, well, we got that. And waiting on another offer. Let's go. Okay, we'll check out that screenshot. We got one. $6, I think it was 75 cents for 0.09 miles, guys. Let's go, let's knock it out. Do you want to see my order, or are you okay?
If you know, can you tell me what?
Yeah, I can tell you. Hold on, let me get over there. Their system is still down here. It's been down for over a week. So there's the Brinks guy coming to get the cash. There he goes. There goes the money. Garda. But yeah, guys, so it takes a little extra time to get these orders. Besides, guys, I don't mind waiting. I have that Meat Lover's Pizza waiting for me in the trunk.
We still got that Meat Lover's Pizza in the trunk.
Oh, you did a great job. Thank you, honey. Okay, guys, well, we got a slight hold up here. Don't want to bowl over the Garda truck. Well, I've never had to tell a Brinks truck to move it, but I did, and they moved it, so let's go. Okay, guys, I believe my customer's waiting for me out there. You waiting on some McDonald's? Okay, good. Good. How you doing today, Annie? Good? Good. Guys, have I said what a beautiful day it is today yet? Okay, guys, check out this screenshot. Whoop, whoop. A beautiful tip for that first order to the Nevada Chicken Cafe, guys. Beautiful way to start off the day. Thank you, customer. Okay, guys, check out this screenshot. The customer for that Sammy's Woodfire Pizza, where I actually ended up with a pizza, which I will be enjoying very soon. He gave me a $13 tip, so thank you, thank you, thank you, customer. Okay, guys, well, the sun is setting. It's only 10 after 4 p.m., but yes, the sun is setting, thanks to daylight savings. So yeah, guys, we're getting ready for a second wave of orders here, guys. Let's go. Hoping for something good. Come on. Let's rock. Let's roll. Okay, guys, check out this screenshot. So that's a Roma restaurant, Italian restaurant right around the corner. $9, a little over $9. 3 miles, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, we'll check out this screenshot. That was an add-on, but just a little too many miles for the moolah, guys, so we had to decline that one. It was just a no-go, but maybe we'll get a better add-on here. We have arrived to Roma Delicatessen Restaurant. Right here, guys. Let's go in and see if this thing is ready. Sometimes this restaurant can be a bit of a wait. I hope that's not the case tonight, guys. Let's go. How's it going, man? Nice to see you. Hey, do you have a order for Spencer?
Spencer.
It's all ready?
Alrighty. Can you imagine that?
Got it, bro. See you. Thank you. All right. Had that all ready, guys? Let's go. Well, like I said, guys, that place is always super fast. Well, believe me, sometimes they make you wait there, but not today. Not today, guys. Let's go. Knock this out. Okay, guys, well, we're getting close to the customer. Just about, I'd say, half a mile. Well, welcome to the world of the beautiful locked gate. Oh, man, they sent me over here again to a completely locked gate, and it is what it is. I'm going to find the right entrance, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, I don't suggest you ever try this, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to go in the outdoor here, and whoa, this is scary. We made it. Oh my gosh. You got to take your opportunities where you can in this business, guys. Let me find out where this guy is. Okay, guys, we have arrived. Let's find out where this goes. This looks like it. Well, take a look at this screenshot. We accepted an order to Marco's Pizza, and it's going just 2.5 miles for, I think it was $8.50, guys. Let's go. Let's rock. Let's roll. I don't know what's going on with the GPS. You see that screenshot? Check this out. It has me going right, going up and making a U-turn, then coming back through the intersection to get to Marco's Pizza, which is right now on my left-hand side. So unless there's some kind of a barrier or blockade or something that's going to prevent me from going left, Guys, well, there's Marco's Pizza over there on the left. But the GPS had me turning right, going all the way down, making a U-turn, coming back through the intersection, and then coming this way. So, how does that make sense? Okay, guys, well, I do forgive Uber for that GPS mishap here. I'm getting ready to make a U-turn and go right into Marco's, which is what should happen. But I forgive them because check out this screenshot. Okay, well, they gave me a nice add-on. It's going just over a mile. Going to the Pizza Hut, guys. It's pizza night. Let's go. If you guys are wondering if it's about a no U-turn, it does not say you cannot make a U-turn. And the law is, if it doesn't say you can't, you can. If it says you can't, you can't. So we are making a U-turn. Wasn't that easy? Let's go. And we have arrived. Hello. Thank you. Yeah, for Dave. Already?
Yes, already.
Why, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that. Okay, you take it easy. Blessings, bro. Bye-bye. Boom shakalaka, ready. Guys, so here we go again. You saw that screenshot, or I'll show it to you right now. It's telling me to go down the street, make a U-turn, when I can make a U-turn right here. So, I just don't get that. As we've arrived to Pizza Hut. I have a pickup for Cheryl.
It'll be about 5 more minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
That's great. That's fine. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, guys, we got that. Pretty much on time. 5 minutes, 5, 6, 7 minutes, something like that. Okay, well, off to our first drop off here to Dave. Just 0.7 miles, guys. Let's go. Guys, we have arrived to our customer. Let's go. Okay, guys, it is a lead at door, so that's exactly what we will do. Okay, we have arrived to our customer. Kind of dark, but not too bad. Okay, well, we knocked those out. Now it's on to the next one, guys. Hoping for another good order. Let's go. Oh, well, we got one. It's Shinjuku Ramen. I believe it's pronounced that way. It's just over 5 miles going up the hill, guys. It's a nice little ride up there. And it's for over $11. Was it $11.46? Something like that. Something close to that. Okay, guys, let's go down there. I'm going to show you this joint right now. It's right down the way here. Kind of a bummer, guys. My main drag here, I mean, the road that I go up and down all day long, Spring Mountain, it's like they shrunk it down to 1 lane, and now the traffic is backed up on it forever. It's just like happened. These guys came by in this truck and just laid down all these cones, and that was that. So it's been 1 lane. It's taken longer to get down here now, but no big. It is what it is. Invariables, guys, in this job crop up from time to time, so we'll knock it out. Okay, guys, well, we've arrived to Shinjuku Ramen. I'm going to show you a couple of add-ons, a trio of add-ons they wanted me to do, but none of them were good for me. See that. Okay, guys, we're going to go in and get this one, though. Let's knock it out. Hi, Annie. Yeah, for Jenna. That's it, just this one?
Thank you. How about you?
Okay, thank you very much. See you later. Okay. Nice and friendly people. Always appreciate that. Let's go up the hill, guys, and knock this out. Okay, well, just about 2.9 miles to the customer. So, yeah, guys, it was, it's rush hour, so it's taking a little while to get down here, but now going back up the hill is going to be a lot faster because all the traffic was coming down because of that 1 lane shenanigans crap. So here we go, guys. We got 3 lanes and we're rolling. Let's go. Okay, guys, we've arrived to the customer's house. Very cute. complete with Baby Yoda. You gotta love that, guys. Let's go and leave it at the door. You gotta love this. Let's rock and roll, baby. Okay, that time has come, guys, to wrap up the video and to give a final tally. Well, guys, we went on 7 deliveries today, all of them on UberEats, for a total of around $85, guys. So, yeah, it's been a lot of fun, guys. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I really appreciate it. If you get a chance, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little bell so you're notified when I release new content. And like this video, hit me with a comment. Okay, guys, thank you so much. It's nice riding along with you guys, and I can't wait to do it again. And until then, guys, keep rocking, but most importantly, keep rolling. Besides, guys, I don't mind waiting. I have that Meat Lovers Pizza waiting for me in the trunk.